Show you how to hide videos and pictures without any application. Now, to hide videos and pictures without any application, what you will do is just open your file manager or your storage where you kept the picture or the video like this. Now what you will do is just go to the place where the video is like this. Here I'll slide down to here on my movie. I'll click on it. Now what you do here is just click on that video like this. Now rename it like this. Now change it from mp4 to png like this, and then click on done, and then click on ok. Now in order to know if this work, just click on the video like this. As you can see, it shows error, you see it. Now to hide picture, what you do is just go back, do the same, go to where you kept the picture like this. Now select the picture by clicking on it and rename it like this. Change it to mp4 or mp3, anyone. Just click on done, now click on ok. That's how to do it. As you can see, it changed to mp3, which is music. That's how to do it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech trick tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Post this video on the screen in order to know how to hide your applications. So see you on the next video.